Hello viewers, I am Mohammed Uttan, an associate at Dialysis. Today I would be talking about the application of Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of Crime of Genocide. So this was basically a case between Bosnia and Serbia. So it took place before the International Court of Justice and concerned the responsibility for acts of genocide during the Bosnian War 1992 to 1995. So the BIH, which is Bosnia and Herzegovina, accused Serbia, then part of Federal Republic of Yugoslavia, of committing acts of genocide against the Bosniaks and other non-Serb population. So BIH alleged that Serbia and Montenegro violated the Genocide Convention through acts such as killings, forcible displacement and destruction of cultural and religious sites. The ICJ proceedings involved the filing of written pleadings and oral hearings and also the submission of evidence by both the parties. So in its judgment in 2007, the ICJ ruled that Serbia had not committed genocide in BIH but held it responsible for failing to prevent the genocide and for not only cooperating with the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia. So the court actually concluded that the Serbia had breached its obligations under the Genocide Convention by failing to prevent genocide and punish those responsible for genocide in Serbia. So at last, the court found that Serbia did not provide sufficient evidence to establish that it had control over the Bosnian Serb forces to prevent the genocide from occurring. The judgment emphasized it is Serbia's duty to cooperate with the ICTY and to apprehend the prosecute individuals accused of genocide. So its ruling did not award monetary reparations but significant implications for clarifying the legal responsibilities of states in preventing and punishing genocide. So here viewers, I'll wind up this video. If anyone have any doubt regarding the same, do let me in the comment section, for which I'll try to reach the same in no time. Thank you.